Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mentaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows laptop battery glitch that is stuck at 100%. So kailangan ay hindi nakakonect sa AC power or naka-plug in sa wall outlet ang laptop or computer natin. Yan kasi ang isa sa potential reasons why it's saying 100% glitch. Dahil nakakakuha ito ng constant energy, hindi rin maganda na laging nakasaksak sa outlet ang laptop unless kung hindi naman siya umiinit kapag naka-plug in. And I'll show you some methods to resolve the problem. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on search menu and then type mo lang dito yung control panel and then click mo lang dito yung open. Ang next step ay click mo lang itong arrow na yan dito sa taas and then sinik mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang sinik dito yung power options, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa power options, dito lang sa choose or customize a power plant, dito sa kanyang selected plant and then dito lang sa balance and then dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong change plant settings, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa change settings for the plant balance. And then dito lang sa turn off the display and then yung put the computer to sleep. So dito sa on battery ay click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then sinik mo lang dito yung number. And then dito sa put the computer to sleep, sinik mo lang dito yung number. Alright? So once nagawa mo na dito, and then dito naman sa plug-in, so same procedure mga kaibigan, click mo lang tong number. And same procedure, click mo tong number. And then after dito, and then next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-click tong change advanced power settings. So click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong power options settings. So ang next step, dito lang sa advanced settings and then dito lang sa baba, kailangan mo lang sinig dito yung battery. So i-click mo lang tong plus sign. So click mo lang siya. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang sinig dito yung critical battery notifications. So, i-click mo lang tong plus sign ulit. And then, dito sa on battery, dapat naka-turn on. And then, yung plug-in, dapat naka-turn on siya. Right? So, pag-click mo yan, and then may option dito. Turn on or off. Okay? So, ang next step ay kailangan mo i-click dito yung critical battery actions. So, click mo lang yung plus sign ulit. And then, dito sa on battery, dapat naka-hibernate mo siya. So, pag click mo yan, may option din yan. So, pwedeng hibernate and then shutdown. Okay? So, isinik mo lang tong hibernate. And then, dito sa plug-in, save, sinik mo lang dito yung hibernate. And then, pag okay na siya, and then click mo tong apply. And then, click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright? So, close lang natin tong control panel. So, ang next step, dito lang sa start menu, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, sinik mo lang dito yung device manager. So, dito sa device manager, ang next step ay, kailangan mo lang sinik dito yung batteries. Ito siya. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then, dito ay kailangan lang natin i-update tong kanyang drivers. So, isinik mo lang tong Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. So, i-click mo lang yan. Kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, sinik mo lang dito yung update driver. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So, sinik ka lang dito sa dalawang options. And then, itap mo lang tong search automatically. And makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. So, ang next step, so close lang natin tong device manager. And then, dito lang si start menu. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click tong restart. Okay? And, ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows laptop battery stuck at 100% glitch. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.